10 life-changing tech tips you wish you knew earlier. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be sharing 10 invaluable tech tips that will revolutionize the way you use your devices. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a seasoned professional, or just someone who loves to make their life easier, these tips are bound to be incredibly helpful. From saving time to enhancing productivity, these life-changing tech tips are things you wish you knew earlier. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into this exciting journey of tech discoveries. 10 life-changing tech tips you knew earlier. Tip 1. Unlock hidden keyboard shortcuts. Did you know that most programs and applications come with hidden keyboard shortcuts that can save you a tremendous amount of time and effort? We'll show you how to unlock these hidden gems and take your productivity to new heights.
Here are some hidden keyboard shortcuts that can be quite useful. 1. Windows key plus D. Minimize or restore all open windows to show the desktop. Press again to restore the windows. 2. Control plus Shift plus T. Reopen the last closed tab in your web browser. 3. Control plus Shift plus ESC. Open Task Manager directly without having to go through the Control plus Alt plus Delete menu. 4. Alt plus Tab. Quickly switch between open applications. 5. Windows key plus pause, break. Open the System Properties window. 6. Control plus Shift plus Delete. Open the Clear Browsing Data window in web browsers to quickly clear your browsing history, cache, and cookies. 7. Windows key plus arrow keys. Dock the active window to the left, right, top, or bottom of the screen. 8. Alt plus print screen. Capture a screenshot of the currently active window only.
Tip 2. Streamline your email management. Managing an overflowing inbox can be a headache, but fear not, we have some incredible tips to help you streamline your email management. We'll share tools and techniques that will declutter your inbox and help you stay on top of your messages effortlessly.
Here are some tips to help you achieve that. 1. Use folders and labels. Organize your emails into folders or labels based on categories, projects, or priorities. This can make it easier to find specific emails and keep your inbox clutter-free. 2. Unsubscribe. Regularly unsubscribe from newsletters and promotional emails that you no longer find useful. This will help prevent unnecessary inbox clutter. 3. Set up filters. Use filters or rules to automatically sort incoming emails into specific folders.
Tip 3. Master the art of search. Searching the web is something we all do every day, but are you aware of the powerful search operators and techniques that can refine your search results and save you tons of time? We'll uncover these tips and tricks that Google doesn't want you to know. Tip 4. Simplify password management. Tired of forgetting passwords or struggling to keep track of them all? We'll introduce you to some fantastic password management tools that will securely store and generate strong passwords for you, making your online experience more convenient and secure. Tip 5. Optimize your smartphone battery life. Is your smartphone battery draining too quickly? We'll reveal some lesser-known tricks to optimize your battery life and extend your usage time. Say goodbye to constantly searching for power outlets. Tip 6. Supercharge your internet speed. Slow internet speeds can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, we've got you covered with tips and tricks to speed up your internet connection. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working, you'll notice a significant boost in performance. Tip 7. Utilize cloud storage effectively. Managing your files and documents across various devices can be a hassle. We'll show you how to utilize cloud storage solutions effectively, making your files accessible from anywhere, anytime, and keeping them securely backed up. Tip 8. Automate repetitive tasks. Repetitive tasks can consume a significant portion of our time. We'll introduce you to automation tools that will help you streamline these tasks, enabling you to focus on more important things while letting technology do the work for you. Tip 9. Protect your digital privacy. Internet security and digital privacy are crucial. We'll provide essential tips and tools to protect your online identity, secure your personal information, and ensure your privacy in this interconnected world. Tip 10. Stay updated with tech news and trends. The tech world is constantly evolving, and it's essential to stay updated with the latest news and trends. We'll guide you through reliable sources and platforms where you can find up-to-date information and be in the know about the exciting advancements in the tech industry. Outro. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found these life-changing tech tips valuable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Stay tuned for our next video full of amazing